Hey Ryan, this is Mrs. Johnson. I was looking at your email and I thought I would make it just a quick video to see that you're making a mistake here in number 9. I already answered your ideas, what I think you did wrong in number 4. But for number 9, if you look at the actual answers here, how you do this in Excel is, remember, it says in your mom homework here, it says estimate the area under this curve on the interval from 0 to 2 using 5 rectangles. So what I do first is figure out, okay, how often in Excel do we have to measure? So what we did here is we took the interval, which is from 2 to 0 to 2, so you do 2 minus 0, divided by how many rectangles I have to make, or 5 rectangles, which means we have to measure every 0.4 of a unit. So then in Excel, I started at 0 and I made Excel fill the table going up by 0.4 up to 2. And then in this cell, I put the equation, which was 2x squared plus 12x plus 20. And then we found the RAM and LRAM. Now remember, the RAM is equal to the width of each rectangle, which in this case we figured out was 0.4, times the sum of all of the outputs except for the first one. So if we'd add those up, and we get 75.84, which you notice is exactly the number that they have here in MOM. And then if we do the LRAM, it would be the width of each rectangle, which was 0.4, times the sum of all of the data except for the last one. And I get 63.04. So you can see that that was the answer in MOM. So I'll send this video and I'll also send this spreadsheet along with the email, so you can, hopefully that answers your question.